Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. As soon as the weather changes and fall start, my family favorite flavor become apple cider. And we love apple cider donuts. Even if we are going out for little things, we don't forget to bring apple cider donuts back home. So I thought to create something with apple cider, and today I am making apple cider cinnamon ice cream. I know it sounds bizarre, but if you like apple cider, you will love this ice cream. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, in a saucepan I'm adding apple cider. But let's talk about what is apple cider. In US and Canada, especially in the autumn season, unsweetened, unfiltered, and non-alcoholic apple juice is called apple cider. It's simple. Just unfiltered and unsweetened juice is apple cider. And now for this recipe, first I will reduce the apple cider, and for that I'm just adding apple cider in a saucepan to see how much it will be after reducing. If I'm making that sense here, you can skip that step. Then I took like more than a cup of apple cider and start cooking until it is reduced and came 3 to 4 ounces, and then I will transfer it into the separate container and let it cool down completely. Now we are making our basic ice cream, no churn basic ice cream, which I already shared the recipe with you guys, which is just a heavy whipping cream, and just whip it until it have stiff peak, which means when you try to pick it up like this, it won't fall down. Now I'm adding a can of condensed milk, and then I'll be adding cinnamon and the reduced apple cider, which is cooled completely. Now with a very light hand I will fold everything with the whipping cream until it's completely mixed. The reason I cooked the apple cider before is one, to it's to enhance the flavor of apple, and second, to reduce a little liquid so it our ice cream won't be that crystally. When everything is completely mixed, I'm transferring onto a container which have a tight airtight lid. Just smooth the top and sprinkle some more cinnamon. Now it's up to you. If you like the flavor of cinnamon, you can add more or reduce the cinnamon in this whole process. Just cover the lid and put it in the freezer until it's completely frozen for at least 6 to 8 hours, or overnight is preferred. And then just scoop out this creamy, no churn, delicious ice cream. You can see here how creamy this ice cream is. And now just transfer it onto a bowl. You can serve it with some more, sprinkle some more cinnamon if you like. Just drizzle some caramel. I already have the homemade dulce de leche, so I'm just drizzling that on top of it. And you can serve this delicious and creamy ice cream to your family and enjoy in this weather. This is creamy, no churn, and perfect for this season. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.